They were only trying to help. Instead, a Massena man and his wife suffered a severe beating. It is a bizarre story, starting with where it happened, at the scene of a fatal accident.
Richard and Carol Ledoux talked with 7 News reporter John Fry today. One caution, some of the pictures in this story show what the Ledoux looked like right after the beating. They're graphic and not for children to see. Here's John's report.
Carol and Richard Ledoux thought they were being good Samaritans when they stopped here along County Route 37 late on the night of December 4th. Lying in the road, the body of 33-year-old Ashley McDonald. She'd been hit by a car. It was then, the Ledoux say, they were suddenly and savagely attacked by McDonald's husband, Brian.
He was really out of control. And the next thing you know, I put my hands up. He popped me in the head, knocked me unconscious.
You know, his wife was laying in the road, and all we were doing is trying to help the guy. And to have that kind of reaction, he acted like he didn't want anybody near the body.
This is what Carol Ledoux looked like right after the attack. 34-year-old Brian McDonald is now facing 2 felony assault charges and is on administrative leave from his job as a Border Patrol agent. Carol suffered a concussion, a sprained hand, and bruises. Her husband a broken nose and other injuries.
I'm not sure it was all grief, because it was just very unnatural. Because normally he would be over the body and crying or screaming or something, but he was quiet when I got there. He became annoyed as soon as I took a couple steps forward, and that's when he came at me.
I think he would have beat her to death. I really do. Because there was no stopping the man. He was just out of control and very, very aggressive.
There are still a lot of unanswered questions as to what may have happened on this stretch of road that tragic night.
And my big question is, why was she in the road? Did she fall there? Did she walk out there and fall down? Did he hit her? Who knows? We don't know.
We couldn't reach Brian McDonald for comment. State police are asking for anyone who may have been in the area that night to contact them. John Fry, 7 News.